Today we're working on Unit 4, Lesson 4, and we're going to take everything that we've learned about two-step equations and inequalities, and we're going to put them together. So here's our first example. 5x minus 4 equals 11. We do the same thing that we've been doing. We draw our line down at the inequality symbol. I find my variable as the x, and I remember I have to cancel out the 5 and the negative 4, but I have to do the one alone first. I have to cancel out the negative 4. So I add 4 to both sides. These cancel out. I bring down my 5x. My inequality symbol does not change. And then 11 plus 4, I will get 15. And that looks like 16. Let me fix it. That's a little bit better. Oh, and now it disappeared. Come on, computer. There we go. So now continue on because I'm not done because x isn't alone. So I have 5x is greater than or equal to 15. I know that is 5 times x. So I cancel it with division. So I divide both sides by 5. My 5's cancel out and I get x. I do not change my inequality symbol because I divided by a positive number. So x is greater than or equal to 15 divided by 5 is positive 3, not 5, positive 3. So I get x is greater than or equal to 3. Now I need to graph it. So once again, just put your numbers in. I can put my 3 in. I can put 4 and 2. So I have 2, 3, 4. On your mastery check, the number lines are better than on the notes. So I look and I have x is greater than or equal to. So that is a closed circle. And alligator, it's the bigger number, just like my bear up here is saying. Imagine the alligator eating the number. X is being eaten, so it's bigger. So it's going to go, why are you not drawing now? There we go. It's going to go to the right. And then when you're done, pause it.
Hi guys. I'm gonna be your guest today. So I think you subtract the 4 from both sides. And then that's, 13 minus 4 is 9. And then b over negative 3, still keep it like that. And then I multiply by negative 3 on both sides. And cross those off, so then you have b, and you switch the sign because you multiplied by a negative, and 9 times 3 is 27, but it's negative 27? No, is that right? Yeah? Sorry, that's me talking to Ms. Kuklo. Yes, that's right. Okay, so we'll put a 0 here, and then we'll just go negative 26, negative 27, negative 28, and we'll put the little dot here. Oh no, hold on, I gotta pause you. Pause. Did it start? I got it. Okay. I made an error. So this is supposed to be an open circle because it doesn't have the line. And then B is bigger than negative 27. So we're going to go this way. And I'm a genius in math and language now. You're welcome. Just kidding. Thanks for letting me hang out.
In our last example, and I'm sorry, our video is something isn't right, and I had to take my picture out because it's not loading properly. Screencastifying technology hates me. So hopefully you did these two on your own and checked them with the Edpuzzle video. And then example 2, we're given some multiple choices, and we have to figure out which of these graphs matches this inequality. Notice it has parentheses, so I know I'm going to have to use the distributive property. So I have negative 7, x plus 3 is less than or equal to 28. And you could use the cherry bomb method, but I've shown a lot of students the box method, and they really like the box method. So with the box method, you have 2 terms on the inside of the parentheses. So I put those on the top, and then I put whatever's on the outside to distribute on the outside. Then we multiply. That's 1x, so negative 7 times 1x is negative 7x. And then negative 7 times positive 3 is negative 21. So then I just take that and I replace this part of the problem with it. Negative 7x minus 21 is less than or equal to 28. You could do the cherry bomb and it would be the same. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x, and negative 7 times positive 3 is negative 21. You get the exact same thing. Now we solve it. I draw my line. I see that I have a negative, a minus 21, so I add 21 to both sides to cancel that out. That cancels out. I bring down my negative 7x. I bring down my less than or equal to sign. I don't change the symbol when I add or subtract. And now I add 28 plus 21, and I get 49. And I know I'm not done because the x isn't alone yet, so I continue. I know that's a multiplication dot right there, so I'm going to divide by negative 7. And since I'm dividing by negative, I switch my inequality sign, so I reverse its direction. And then these cancel out. I get x is greater than or equal to, sorry, my 7 disappeared. 49 divided by negative 7 is negative 7. So if I look at my answer choices, all of them are at negative 7. I'm sorry, these two are at negative 7. These two are positive 7. So I know it's not them. It's a closed circle, and I see all of them are closed circles. And so I just have to figure out which direction it goes. So the x is bigger, x is being eaten. That means it has to be B because it will go to the left since the x is larger. Now you're ready to practice.